Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the Thai food dessert, the mango sticky rice. It's easy and delicious. Let us begin. Hi, today I will show you the recipe how to make the Thai food mango sticky rice. They have two different ones. One is you need to steam the sticky rice, one is like me to cook it, and the one to cook it is easier and then faster. The texture and then the output will be same. First you need to put the sticky rice in the pot and then put the water to drain it, and then for at least half hour to 1 hour, I would say let it be in there in an hour. You don't need to wash it. If you wash it, the taste will change, so you just take the sticky rice, put in there, and then have the water, put it in over the rice. It will be good. Remember, don't put too much water. The water just over the rice, it will be good, because you will add the coconut milk and then add more water when you cook it. So now we start to cook it. We use the medium fire heat. Don't use the high heat or the too low. Later on you will change it to medium low heat. The reason is if you the heat too hot, like the sticky rice, they will overcook. So now we add 1 can of the coconut milk in there. So the sticky rice are 1 cup. Now if you have more people, you need to more, you can put 2 cup, and then you need just use 2 can of the coconut milk. So we put half of the coconut milk in here, and then half can, about 200 milliliters, the water in. Another half of the can later on we will make the sauce. So now you let it cook and then boil, and then in here we will need to add some sugar in. The best is brown sugar. If you don't have it, the regular sugar will be fine, but brown sugar will be better. And then you let it cook, and then during the time you cook it, keep mix it. Otherwise, the rice at the bottom, they will be easy to overcook. So you keep mix it, and then now we will put the salt in. The salt is important. The 1/4 teaspoon of the salt is to bring up the whole flavor. So this step is important. Then again, now we mix it, and then as long as it boil, we will put the cover on top to cover it, so the water, the coconut milk, they won't vaporize too fast. But time to time, 2-3 minutes, the best is you still to mix it. Make sure the bottom sticky rice, it won't be always stay up there. Otherwise, the bottom will be overcooked. The top is not fully cooked. So it take a few more steps, but you will get the better result. So now when we wait for it boil and then to cook, we will make the sauce. The sauce, you just use the medium low heat, will be fine. The way we do it is not to boil the coconut milk, is to put some heat in so the coconut milk can melt with the brown sugar or the regular sugar if you need to use those. But again, I will say the brown sugar, the taste will be much better. So in here, I will suggest to put 4 tablespoons brown sugar in. Don't worry, because the sticky rice, you just have a little bit brown sugar, it won't be really sweet. So the sauce put on the sticky rice, it will be just perfect match. It won't be too sweet. If you really worry about it, you can put 3 tablespoons first and later on to add a little bit more, but I would suggest like this recipe 4 tablespoons will be good. If you want more sweet, then you can put more. So you use the medium low or low heat, and then you keep mix it. As long as you see no more brown sugar, like they all mix out with the coconut milk, you can turn off the fire, put it on the side to cool down, so later on we can like put it over on top of the sticky rice and the mango. So you can try now, it's a little bit sweet, but like later on you put with the sticky rice, it will just merge, and then like at the regular level on the sweet, it won't be too sweet. Don't worry about it. Okay, now the sticky rice is almost boiled, and then we keep mix it, and as long as you see it boil, and then you can let it cook in the medium low heat, and then put the cover on top. Also, after you done cooking like for about 15 minutes, you turn off the heat and then fully cover it up, and then to let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. So now when you cover it, you put a little bit space, like it won't fully cover, so you can let all the air come out. So now we wait for it to cook, then we can start to cut some mango. So mango I will cut 2. One is I cut it slightly, so it's to put on the side dish, and then I will cut it the cube. That one is like to mix in with the sticky rice or on top of the sticky rice. So I will make 2. One is mixed with the sticky rice, and then another one is like the only sticky rice, no mango inside. So it depends, like not everyone like mango like me that crazy. Yeah, I love mango, but some people might just have enough. It's good. So I will have 2, so you can decide which one you want. So I cut some is in small piece, and I cut some is larger. So if largest one you can put on top of the sticky rice to make it look nice, and then the slice, that one is on the side, so when you eat the sticky rice you can have a little bit of the mango on side together to bring up the flavor too. So now I can put it on the side, but later on you will see me change the plate. The reason is that I put 2 cup of the sticky rice. This plate is not big enough, not nice, so I change it. But it's like this, like you can do whatever you want on this. Is I just make sample. Now you can put the big cut mango, or cut it slice, or cut it dice, the cube size, wherever you feel comfortable. It doesn't matter. Now the sticky rice is done cooking, and then we will mix it a little bit to make sure, as long as you don't really see the liquid inside, you don't see the coconut milk, everything is dry up and absorbed by the rice. That will be good. And then now you cover it up again and then let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down a little bit and then sit there. Now you can take some of the sticky rice out and then put some mango in and then gently to mix them together. And then you can put in the mold like the cup. For me, I use the one I make the lava chocolate cake, that mold. I use that small cup to put it. Like this bowl will be too big and it don't look nice too. But it's up to you. Either way you feel comfortable, you find know exactly what, because that is only to make the plate look nice. So now you see the one with out the mango, that sticky rice. Later on you can put some sesame on top and it will bring up the flavor. Or you can put the fresh mint leaf a little bit on top and then to bring up the flavor too. Now you put the sauce and then it's done. It's just that easy. I can do it, you can do it. And I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.